I was in an accident at a red light where I was rear-ended.
Okay.
The person that rear-ended me had no insurance.
Yeah.
I was told that I could just go on my way, and however, I had to pay the $200 deductible for the damages on my car.
Yes.
What is my recourse?
Robert, great question. We have gotten several uninsured motorists or underinsured motorist calls here on the show before. Matthew, what are your thoughts?
Yeah, there's several kind of layers to this. Kenny touched upon it. It's a topic we always kind of get into for these type of kind of car accident questions, and that is, Robert, you have uninsured motorists, and rather I hope you do, unless you actually have to deny that specifically and explicitly with your company, or it comes with your policy, and as a result you can look to your own insurance company to pay for your physical damages. Now, the deductible you talked about, you having to pay the $200 deductible, what are your recourses? Well, the recourse is you can pursue that. You can file maybe a justice court claim against the other driver. Just because the other driver doesn't have insurance doesn't mean that they escape financial responsibility. You can still seek to collect that. I know that's $200. That's nothing I'd sneeze at. Not the biggest of sums, but not the smallest either. But you can take that person to justice court, and that's something that you don't need a lawyer for. They're very helpful down there, and you can kind of recover that money. Otherwise, there's really not much choice. You're going to have to pay that. That's required by your own policy. That's something you've agreed to, so you have to pay it. But as far as getting that recovery from the person responsible, you can take them to justice court and do that. And also, if you have physical injuries, and I hope you don't, but if you do, you can look to your policy. Your own insurance policy will pay you damages, and that's just kind of the general framework what we're looking at here.
Matt, great information. Justice Court is a great tool that everybody, you kind of forget about it until you need it. Matt, what's the limit on Justice Court? I can't remember right off. There is a dollar amount, correct? Yeah,
it's up to about $5,000 now, Kenny. It's nice. It's
okay.
It's a real effective tool for swift justice because the older I get, Kenny, and I know I'm not very old, but the older I get, justice delayed is no justice. And so,
That's right.
The nice thing about justice court is it's quick.
Yes.
It's really not lawyer centric. It's for people to come in without lawyers and settle what they call small claims, not that 4,000 or 3,000 a small claim, but for people to settle these claims quickly and efficiently. And it's a great process. It really is.
Yep, absolutely.